Good evening everyone, welcome back to another daily Leetcode video. Today is 13 March 2023 and we are going to do the question number 101 Symmetric Tree. Before moving on with the video, I request you all to please hit like, share and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Now let's see the question. The question is saying that we are given the root of a binary tree and check whether it is a mirror of itself. We have to check whether it is a mirror of itself around its center or not. So let's move on to the example. When we see the example, we can see that root will remain same. Yes or no? And when we put a mirror along its center, this is your mirror, the nodes on this side should be equal to the nodes on the opposite side. That means root left should be equal to root right. Then the child of that root, again the root left should be equal to the root right, and root left should be equal to the root right should be equal to the root left. That means if this is A and this is B, that means I want to say that A left should be equal to the B right. That is what mirror symmetry is all about. Okay, and also A right should be equal to the B left. This is what mirror symmetry is all about. Okay, and for the first case we will check whether root left is equal to that or not. So that is all you have to do. So the answer to this question will be true, this example. See the second example. In the second example we can see that root is okay, root is root. Then we come root left and root right, both are same, that is A value and B value are same. But when we check A left, that is null here. A left is equal to this is also B right. So is A left equal to B right? No, it is not equal. So we will return false. We don't need to check the other condition, but if we check the other condition, that is A right is also not equal to B left. Yes or no? This is null and this is a value 3. So the answer to this question will be false. So that is as easy as this, the way you can check the symmetry of a tree. So let's write this in code. So what we do, if our root is equal to null, that means we are not given any value, so we simply return null. But if we are given a root value, we will make a function. We will return, and let's name the function verify, and we will pass the root left value and root right value to it. Okay, now let's complete this function. The function data type will be bool, because we have to return a boolean whether true or false. Name is verify, and we will pass. What we will pass? We will pass the tree nodes. And what are the tree nodes? Tree nodes A and tree nodes A and tree node B is passed. Okay, let's zoom it. And after this, what you can do, you will check if A is equal to null and B is also null. That means when you have reached to the end and both are equal, then we return true. Yes or no? Now, if A is equal to null or B is equal to null, then we return false. What does this mean? This means if we are at the last node, here we are returning null. Okay, that is its left, and its right is returning you some value. That means either of them is null. In that case we return false because it is not symmetrical. But if this was the case like this, that you have given the value, a value null here and a null value here, in that case both are null. If both are null, then we return true because it's same. That is what we have written. And after you have done this, what you need to do, you will check if the value at A is equal to value at B. If at any position this condition fails, we return false. That means the values are not equal. Okay, and this is a recursive call, so we need to pass it in a recursion again. we took a leap of faith that recursion will do it. Recursion will go till the end and it will call back. It will trace back its tree. Watch my more videos on recursion to get a better understanding if you have any confusion. So what we will do, we will pass return verify. What we will pass, as I told you in the example, we will pass its left and right. And its right and its left. So how can we do that? We will do a left comma b right is passed. Also we need to verify a right comma b left. That way you are checking a right, b right and b left. That way you can check it. That is how you are checking symmetry. That is all you had to do. Let's just run and check whether it is working or not. Verify. Okay, we have made a mistake. It should be verify. These small mistakes make difference, so please don't make it. So yeah, it should work. Yeah, it is working. So I leave the time complexity and space complexity to you guys. Please comment it down. Check out my other playlist videos. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.